I'm starting out with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, applying that all over my lid and blending it out with my finger. Next, I'm going in with the color Mythazar and this fluffy Morphe brush and applying it to the outer corner of my eye, creating a soft V shape in the outer corner following the upward slope of my lower lash line and sweeping the color inward. I'm first concentrating the color on and then using little circular motions and sweeping motions on the edges to blend out the edges, applying a little bit to the lower lash line about halfway across, and then applying Bantha tracks to the front portion of my eye, connecting it with the previous gray we just applied, blending out that top edge. With Imperial Credit, I'm applying that to the center of my eye, blending the two colors we just applied together, using little feathering motions on the edges to fade it out, and then doing the same on the lower lash line. With the same shader brush, I'm applying the Kaja Beauty Viva Shine highlighter in the inner corner, blending that out, and then I'm going around the edges with cream from the Lorac Pro palette to blend out the edges some more. Next, with the Best Pencil from Jones Road in the shade Brown, I'm applying that to my waterline, and then I'm drawing an inner corner wing with the Maven Beauty Liquid Liner in shade Brown, applying a little bit of powder under my eyes. Then with an angled brush from Morphe, I'm using the color Creed and applying that to my lash line. I'm making sure the line is thinner towards the inner corner and thicker towards the outer corner, and then blending the top edge a little bit to smoke it out just a teeny bit. Next, I'm following the upward slope of my lower lash line and then creating a triangle type shape in the outer corner, sweeping it into the crease, keeping the outer edge sharp but then blending the inside edge, using little feathering motions. I'm next going in with the color Espresso from the Lorac Pro palette to add a little bit of depth to the outer edge, blending that into the other colors. Just cleaning everything up, making sure the outer edge is sharp, sweeping away the powder, and then I'm making sure both lines match. Next, I'm going in with Post-Op Pink Lip Liner from Too Faced, feathering it towards the center. Next, I'm going to blend that out with Kaja Beauty Milk Tea Gloss. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post, and everything is linked down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!